Sa tao ang gawa.
Ayan, nasa
Yes.
Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa.
gawa.
O, anong tingin mong nais na magandang mensahe ng Salawi Kain na yan?
Pwede ba in English? Or,
Sige, pwede.
It all depends what you're doing as a person. You cannot just complain or you cannot just pray for something that you want to have. And at the end, you're saying, why is God not giving me anything? Because at the end, it depends on you, on how much effort you put into it. And the things that you want to
Tama na! Tama na!
Very
Galing!
clear.
Oh, yung ganun-ganun.
Okay,
Kailangan
sige.
magsipag ka.
Oo naman.
Puro ka dasal, tapos nakahilaka ka lang
Siyempre,
dyan.
depende sa sarili mo efforts.
Galing. Pwede isa pa, isa pa?
Oh.
Okay, akin na yun.
Sige, go.
Yes.
Push lang.
Galing ha, nasa Diyos ang... Oo nga. Okay. Ano naman yung next na Salawi Kain?
Ubos-ubos biyaya, maya-maya ay nakatunganga.
Yan.
Siguro dahil sa if you get something, if you, for example, you win in lotto, and then at the next day, you're spending it for everything. At the end, you're standing there with nothing. Yun ang inisip
Left
ko.
nothing na?
Yeah, you have nothing left anymore. So you have to really save up and be careful in what you're spending. Yes.
Galing!
Thank you.
Good luck sa... Oh, isa pa. Last na to.
Isa pa.
Galing naman. Oh, parang training na rin to.
Oo nga, Q&A training.
Training na rin.
By
naman
Sir
Salawi.
Arnold Clavio
Yes.
pa.
Bakit? Anong nangyari?
I love it. Siyempre, iba pa rin yun eh.
Okay. Anong next Salawi Kain?
Ang tunay na kaibigan, nakikilala sa kagipitan. Kagipitan. Yes.
Ang tunay na kaibigan nakikilala sa kagipitan.
Sa kagipitan. You will find out if the true friend is really true, if you're going through a rough time, if he will be there for you, or if she will be there for you always. If you're in a rough time, you will really find out.
Ano pa hanapin natin? Kung ang back-to-back ang Miss World natin! Nasubukan mo na ba? Kumain ng mga Pinoy street food. Ano paborito mo sa kanila?
Kwek-kwek. Kwek-kwek.
Okay. Kwek, alam mo yung kwek-kwek, ha?
Yes.
Ayan,
Tsaka
oh.
fishball. Yeah.
Fishball, bola-bola.
Yes.
Nasubukan mo na ba? Sumakay ng jeep, tsaka bus. Dati.
Yes.
Nasubukan nyo na ba? May humarana sa'yo. Ito'y Filipino, ano to? Culture, ha? Inarana ka? Meron? Tagalog o sa kantang German?
English.
English. Anong kanta? El Bimbo?
Hindi. Bed of Roses. Yun talaga Bon Jovi eh.
Nasubukan mo na ba? Umiyak dahil sa pag-ibig. Kailan yan?
Once.
Ilan taong ka niyan?
I was 19.
19?
Yeah,
Ba't anong nangyari?
Wala lang. It didn't work out. Pero okay lang. After...
Sa Germany yan, sa Germany.
Hindi dito.
Dito?
Yeah.
Loko yun ah. Sino ba yan? Kilala ba?
Ay, hindi.
Ang pangalan?
Ay! Ikaw naman. Wala. Sikretong malupit.
Sige. Tanong ni Husam Manaloto, one uniquely Filipino item will you bring and give your co-candidates as pasalubong? May ganun pa. Meron ka na ba naisip na dadalhin? Ano ba ang sinasabi ni Miss Cory?
Normally may handicraft o merong shell.
Shell.
Yes,
Okay.
shell.
Facebook question naman ni Erica Joyce Laksamana, anong ugaling Pinoy ang pinagmamalaki mo at bakit?
Siguro yung team spirit natin. Tsaka yung positivity. Kasi napaka-positive tayo kahit may mga bagyo, may mga typhoons, di ba? Napaka-positive pa rin tayo eh. Even though we are going through a rough time, we are helping each other out. We would talk to others during the time to just comfort them and to make them feel better. Even though we don't have a lot, we're still happy. We are still appreciating small things in life. So siguro yung positivity ng
Filipino spirit yan.
Philippine spirit talaga.
Okay.